Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something different. I'm sure from the title you can already tell what it is. I've been very into the whole monochrome look lately, and I've been loving the whole nude color palette, and I thought to show you some of the things or outfits I like to wear either around the house or to just run some errands. So yeah, just keep watching and I hope you like the video. Okay guys, so with outfit one, we're just doing something light and casual. I really love this fabric because it's very comfortable. Abuja can be hot, and so this is very light. I like how dramatic the sleeves are. I just like how very cool it looks, and I like that you can pull it up and tuck it in and just creates like a different look. You can definitely try this out with sneakers and slippers, and yeah, I just pair them with like very basic gold accessories. For outfit two, we're doing something a little more official but still casual, right? So we're going for like that informal casual look. I like the color combo, and I like that you can switch it up and you have a bonus look where if you're just working out like from home or just want something a lot different and lighter, you can do this as well, and the colors still work, balance out. We have another outfit where it's this is what I call my office baddie look when I need to go in for meetings and whatnot. Again, it works well with the color pairing. I love that it just gives this very cool, calm, collected vibe, and of course the bonus vibe with a black shirt, and it just gets you going where you still look very put together without doing a lot of work. So I really love that, and I love how tailored the pants are as well. I really like the looks. That's it guys for my video. I really hope you love the looks. Like I said, it's basically just okay to just mix and match depending on what you want in your wardrobe, but I find that the monochrome look, it's easier to just get up and go because you have certain looks, and you also just basically have a simpler, nicer aesthetic. I'm very into aesthetics, so but yeah, I hope you liked the video, and please let me know what look was your favorite one in the comments below, and I will leave links to anything else that I think is important for this video. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.